Hi everyone. In this lesson we will start to add a pipe detail to our model. I'm deliberately getting away from our reference image for the sake of showing you different details. For example, I want to create a piping detail around this loop. If we select this loop and try to scale it to create a piping detail, it will affect a much more larger area than I need. As you can see, this doesn't look anywhere near like a piping detail. So I need a much more narrower section to play with. We can create new loops with insert SubD H ring tool. And for example, we can create this loop and then we can play with this section to create our piping detail. But in this lesson, I will show you a different command to create this new segment. The name of our command is Bevel mesh or SubD. If you start the Bevel mesh or SubD command, it will ask you for the edges to bevel, and I'm selecting this loop by double clicking it. As you can see, the loop is selected, and then the command wants me to press enter when I'm done. I'm pressing enter, and right after I'm pressing enter, as you can see, command divides to H2 segments. How many segments and how large will the segments will be can be adjusted by mouse and the command line. At first, if you look at the command line, there is a segment setting. When I press segments, I can type in how many segments I want the H to be divided. For example, if you make a 5-segment structure here, you are basically flattening the edge. But I don't want any segments, so I click the segments setting. I typed in 1. This makes the command to create just one surface by dividing the edge 2. I can determine the size of the surface by dragging my mouse, or I can write a value on the command line and then press enter. I want a surface area or 4 millimeters, for example. I'm writing 0.2 because the value you write in the command section is the half width of the new surface. After creating these new segments, if we get to the SubD mode, you can see that this area is a little bit tighter than before. I will show you how to create the pipe from this surface in the next lesson. Right now, we have just learned how to create new sections by dividing existing edges with our Bevel mesh or SubD commands. See you at the next lesson.